The essential question, what is a circuit made of? So we're going to talk about the parts of a circuit today and what makes up a circuit. So a circuit is a closed loop through which charge, which is electrons, can flow. So in order for electricity to flow, we actually have to have a closed loop. You can't just hook the end of a wire to battery and have it flow into something. You need a complete loop. So this is a circuit diagram. This right here would be our energy source. So these are two lines here with a plus and a negative. The conductor, okay, which is normally a wire. This would be our resistor or our load. And then this is the switch. And this can be shown either open or closed. And then it goes back into the other side of the energy source. So if you think of this as a battery, you've got two ends of the battery. Okay, it needs to flow in a complete loop and come back into the other side of the battery. So let's talk about what those parts are. So the energy source could be, for example, a battery or the power plant. So if we're operating the lights in the classroom, we have the switch on the wall. That energy source is actually the power plant that's making electricity and sending it to our school. The conductor is usually a wire. The switch just turns things on and off. It can be the wall switch. It can be the button that you push on your phone or on other devices. And the resistor or the load could be things like the light bulb, the TV, your hair straightener, your cell phone charger, anything that you're trying to operate with that circuit. It's basically the purpose of the circuit. What are you trying to turn on and off? And last slide, open and closed circuits. This right here is the symbol for a light bulb. So if we had our power source here and we were running electricity through this light bulb, we could turn it on and off with the switch. So an open switch would turn the light bulb off. Because when you break this, the electricity can't get through and get back to the other side of the battery. Remember that it needs to go back to the other side of the battery. So we would need to close the switch right here to let the electricity flow through. So an open switch turns things off, and a closed switch turns things on.